Welcome to the VeneerPlus J2 automatic veneer splicing machine. This is a modern solution designed for fast, accurate, and aesthetic veneer joining. 2 operation demo. During operation, the machine automatically feeds veneer into the system. The glue pot is heated from 80 to 180 degrees Celsius, ensuring even and consistent bonding. The dual gear feeding mechanism keeps veneer stable and tightly pressed. Within seconds, veneer sheets from 0.35 to 2 mm are seamlessly joined, creating a smooth and elegant surface with nearly invisible joints. 3. Features and benefits with comparison. Compared to standard veneer splicing machines that rely on single roller feeding, the VeneerPlus J2 offers a dual gear system, delivering straighter and stronger joints. While many machines operate only at 10 to 20 meters per minute, the J2 reaches 3 to 45 meters per minute, making it suitable for both small workshops and industrial mass production. Equipped with Festo pneumatic cylinders from Germany, it provides greater durability and reliability than local component machines. The quick detach glue pot with cooling system eliminates common problems in older machines, such as glue clumping or unstable bonding. VeneerPlus J2 is ideal for producing high-end veneer furniture, decorative panels, and export products requiring premium finishing. For call to action, if you want to improve veneer splicing quality,